uMalaji wagcina ukubonakala kulesikole ngolosine olwedlule kubikwa ukuthi wabonakala ehamba ebuyele ekhaya kanti isidumbu sakhe sitholwe eduzane nesikole eChibini Secondary.
The younger one used to welcome Palesa home, and Palesa would bring her sweets. So who is going to replace Palesa on that?
Uhlaselwe izinsukwana njengaphambi kokuqala kwesonto lokuvikelwa kwezingane.
The theme now seems empty if matric learners cannot even attend compulsory extra classes because they don't know if they will get home safe. Crime against women and children is a sick pandemic.
Umnyango wezemfundo unxusa amaphoyisa ukuba asebenze ngokuzikhandla bophe.
From now onwards, we need to find a way to ensure that we provide transport, especially for, in this regard, matriculants, because they're the ones who are taking a lot of extra classes after school. Palesa was also a matriculant, by the way, so that we are able to ensure we find them transport if needs be.
Amaphoyisa athi aphenya icala lokubulala.